Exercise 3.5, question 4, part 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction in different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So you will draw a line here for this, taking this point A and this point B. Now one car starts from A, another car starts from B, and the distance between A and B is 100 km. So we will assume it like, let the car starting from A with speed x km/h and car starting from B with speed y km/h. Okay. Now we will use here the formula of distance is equal to speed into time. We have studied this formula in physics also. The same we will use here in maths. Distance is equal to speed into time. We are using this formula because we are having a question about distance. So in case 1, if the car travel in same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. So in first case, when time is equal to 5 hours, so distance covered by car from X, car from A, and we have assumed it, the car starting from A is traveling with a speed of x km/h. The distance covered by car from A will be speed 5 into x. So 5x will be distance will be equal to speed into time. Speed is x, time is 5, so 5x is the distance, and distance covered by car from B will be equal to 5 into y, that is equal to 5y. Now according to question, when they both are moving in same direction, same direction means if the car from A and car from B are moving in same direction, then in that case the car from B will take a very long time to meet A, because it is chasing if they are moving in same direction. So chasing conditions are considered as negative conditions. Okay, because every time when B will come close to A will move forward. So this chasing conditions are considered as negative when they are moving in same direction. So the distance 100 km will be chased by 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Why we have taken minus sign? Because we are chasing, and every time when the car from B moves towards A moves forward, so this will be negative situation. So if we divide the whole equation by 5, we get x minus y is equal to 20. This is your equation number 1. Now in second case, when they both are traveling towards each other, the car from A is moving this direction, car from B moving towards this direction. So traveling towards each other will take very less time, and this time they take only 1 hour to meet. So once again, in case 2, time is equal to 1 hour. That means distance by car from A will this time x into 1, which is equal to x, and distance by car from B will be equal to y into 1, that is y. And according to question, as they are moving towards each other, so it will be adding condition. So x plus y is equal to 100. Equation number 2. So if we convert both of them into standard form, x minus y is equal to 20, x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0, and x plus y minus 100 equal to 0. Okay. So after this you get a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 20, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 1, and c2 is equal to minus 100. So I am doing it by the formula of cross multiply. X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So x is equal to b1 c2 minus 1 into minus 100 minus b2 c1 1 into minus 20 upon a1 b2 1 into 1 minus a2 b1 1 into minus 1. So we get x is equal to 100 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 100 is 100, minus 1 into minus 20 is plus 20 upon 1 plus 1, that is equal to 120 upon 2. So we can cancel it. So we get x is equal to 60 km per hour. Again, let's find the value of y. Y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So y is equal to c1 is minus 20 into a2 is 1 minus c2 is minus 100 into a1 is also 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Denominator was 2. So y is equal to minus 20 plus 100 upon 2. So y is equal to 80 upon 2, which gives you 40 km per hour. That means the answers are x is equal to 60 km per hour, y is equal to 40 km per hour.